kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you guys like to make at home. Anyway, quick ideas and quick tips at what's coming next from Chef Ricardo. Anyway, as I said, my sponsor them which been supporting me, I have a new recipe which is going to be releasing the next day, which is going to be tomorrow. Hopefully you guys will like this new recipe, new ideas. If you want me to make anything, please write it down in the description below, in the description box. And second thing, I have a few recipes which I also going to be releasing. I have a curry goat recipe and also a brand new recipe of oxtail, or you can do your oxtail at home. As I said, tips and ideas, and also if you have anything you want me to make for you guys, please write it in the description box. I have some new recipe which I'm going to be releasing now, and I want you guys to see exactly what's gonna be coming from Chef Ricardo. What's next from Chef Ricardo with his new recipe, guys. New recipes, new ideas. I've been working on this recipe over the last couple of weeks, and I said I'm going to be releasing one of my recipe tomorrow. Simple recipe which you guys can make at home, and it's gonna be summer recipe also too. So get grooved, get ready, and get prepared for Chef Ricardo new recipe. Thank you so much guys for subscribing my YouTube channel and also leaving your comments. I just take the time to say thank you so much guys. It's been just brilliant, and I mean subscribers growing on really well. And you know what I mean, hopefully we can do better as we goes along even in the future. So thank you so much, I love you all, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google plus me, and get your favorite recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I want to take the time to say I love every one of you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.